In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the WordPress critical error step by step, even if you can't access your dashboard. If you've ever seen the message saying there has been a critical error on this website, don't panic. This is a very common WordPress issue, and in most cases, it's caused by a plugin conflict, theme problem, or PHP memory limit. I'll walk you through the safest and easiest ways to fix it. And if this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what the critical error screen looks like. When this happens, your website will usually display a plain message saying there has been a critical error on your website, and to check your admin email for instructions. You won't be able to access the front end properly, and sometimes even the WP admin area will be locked. This can look scary, but WordPress actually has a built-in recovery system since version 5.2. So step 1 is to check your admin email inbox. WordPress automatically sends an email to the site administrator when a critical error is detected. The subject line usually says, "Your site is experiencing a technical issue." Open that email and look for the recovery mode link inside. Click on that link and it will take you to a special recovery login page. Log in with your admin credentials, and this will give you temporary access to your dashboard in recovery mode. From there, WordPress will often show you which plugin or theme caused the issue. If you don't receive the email, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Still nothing? You can manually try accessing recovery mode by adding /wp-login.php action equals entered _ recovery mode to the end of your domain name. Type that into your browser and press enter. This sometimes allows you to trigger recovery mode manually. Now, if you still cannot access your dashboard, the next step is to deactivate all plugins manually. Most critical errors are caused by a faulty or incompatible plugin. To do this, log into your hosting account and open your file manager, or connect using FTP. Navigate to your WordPress root directory, then open the WP content folder. Inside, you'll see a folder called Plugins. Rename that folder to something like Plugins-old or Plugins-deactivated. As soon as you rename the folder, WordPress will automatically deactivate all plugins. Now, go back and refresh your website. If your site loads normally again, that means one of your plugins was the problem. You can then rename the folder back to Plugins, go into your dashboard, and reactivate each plugin one by one until you find the one causing the issue. Once identified, delete or replace that plugin. If the error still continues, another common cause is insufficient PHP memory. Sometimes you may see an error in your logs that says something like allowed memory size exhausted. In that case, you need to increase your PHP memory limit. Again, go to your WordPress root directory using File Manager or FTP. Locate the file named wp-config.php. Right-click and edit the file. Scroll down until you see the line that says, "That's all, stop editing." Just above that line, add the following code. Define, open parenthesis, single quote, wp_memory_limit, single quote, comma, single quote, 256M, single quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. Save the file and upload it if needed. After saving, refresh your website and check if the issue is resolved. In many cases, increasing the memory limit immediately fixes the critical error. So to quickly recap, check your admin email and enter recovery mode. Manually deactivate plugins by renaming the plugins folder, and increase your PHP memory limit inside wp-config.php if necessary. These steps solve the majority of WordPress critical errors. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the WordPress critical error safely and step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress fixes, tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.